opening up. Now the J-10 jet fighter is already running. Is this the head of this team? Yes. The number 1 jet fighter is piloted by our team leader, and Guan Xiaoli is sitting next to him. Usually, the head of the team is led by the team leader. Why is so? Because the head airplane is like a leader in this whole formation, so there will be higher accuracy requirement for this airplane. And our team leader used to pilot number 1 and also number 3. So only when he is experienced enough can he perform the head airplane. He's greeting our audience on site. He looks quite handsome sitting in the cabin. So which airplane are you piloting? Number 4 and number 6 for me. We know that number 6 has to perform a very difficult maneuver about just dashing into the clouds. That's acceleration taking off. So what is the difficulty of such a maneuver? For taking off, it's quite difficult because the starting speed is very small, so it requires high engine thrust. So that is quite a challenge for the engine's performance. But J-10 has strong performance of engines. And they are all gliding. And we're gonna move to the runways for a heating of the engine and a final checkup. And then the display will begin. This is really a rare chance for our audience. You cannot see so many J-10 airplanes just gliding very close to us. This is number 6 airplane. Jingfei and Li Bin are sitting in number 6 airplane. Jingfei has already been with us days ago in our live show. We could see now the airplane is already gliding into the runway. The 6 J-10 airplanes of Bayi Aerobatics teams are all in place in the runway. And Yun 20 is here. So it is still waiting there. I heard there will be a performance for that airplane in the afternoon, so that's why it's waiting. Today marks a special day for Air Force China. And China Air Force will bring a lot of wonderful feats. As one member of China Air Force, I would love to say happy birthday to China Air Force, and so with us. The Bayi Aerobatics team is like a window team of Air Force. It has held 3 National Day celebration and 7 China Air Show performance, so you're actually a frequent performer here. And for you, how many times have you been here? 3 times. Do you feel different every time you come here? Every China Air Show will leave me some new memories. There will be some new equipment, new highlights on every occasion. We could sense that China's equipment and aviation technologies are having faster growth year by year, and along with China's economic and R&D capacities improving, our aviation technologies are also advancing. So we are very proud of it. Now, J-10 airplanes are waiting for the call of taking off. The engines are being warmed up. So that warm-up is actually to recheck the functionalities of the engines. For J-10, it's single engine powered, so it has higher requirements for its performance. That's why we must be quite careful with the engines. Those are our commanding team members. In addition to the commanding members on the tower, we also have some on-site commanders. And Chao Zhen will be the chief commander of today's display. He will observe the aerial display. And is Mr. Cao used to be a member of aerobatic teams of Bai? Yes, he used to be our former team leader. I remember him in 2011's air show. Now, those are our spectators saying hello to us. Yesterday in our live show, some audience told me that China's aviation sector is really advancing. They do feel proud of China's Air Force. Now, for the third generation jet fighter to give us such an aerial display is really seen in the world. Mainly they use like the training airplane or other airplanes for display, not the jet fighter. During the air show in Moscow or Dubai, we have had some exchanges with our international peers. Those international counterparties also gave great comments for the Bai aerobatics team. We can see the audience and spectators are quite enthusiastic, just like today's weather. It's warm. To Moscow, Dubai, Thailand, Malaysia, Bai aerobatics team have left their footprints, safeguarding world peace and improving the international relationships. So Bai aerobatics team really has contributed a lot to China Air Force. Thumbs up to you. Thank you. Airplanes are gliding to the position for taking off. The clouds are quite low today. It's about 2,000 meters high. For some vertical flowering maneuvers, they could be performed in such a weather condition. The visibility today is about 6 to 8 kilometers. Also a favorable condition for our show. For aerial display, there will be a lot of factors behind it, particularly visibility and the clouds. If the clouds are pretty low in height, then the formation of the aerial display will need higher coordination because the spectators on the ground cannot see the airplanes if they were covered by the clouds. And also after entering the cloudy areas, a lot of maneuvers may be blocked by the clouds. That's why we need to show as many moves as possible to our spectators. But today the clouds are in a pretty good condition. Another factor, as I said, is the visibility. If we have very poor visibility, then the control of the airplanes will be rather difficult for the pilots. They have to rely solely on their naked eyes to control the airplanes. They must be able to see the positions of the spectators' zone or the performing areas.
现在观众朋友们看到的是3机已经摆好了队形，马上。
Now we are seeing 3 airplanes ready for taking off very soon. They're just waiting for the order.
起飞的时间大概会是在9点50分左右。
It will take off at about 10 to 10, less than 1 minute.
Good
morning, our viewers. Now we are at the site of the 12th International Aviation and Aerospace Exhibition. My name is Sun Xia. Today with me, our pilot, Mr. Wang Xueqing from Bai Aerobatics team, is here with me for this live broadcasting. And now we are seeing 3 G10 airplanes already taking off. The acceleration taking off for 3 airplanes. After taking off the ground, they will have a big angle in the air. So at this moment, the pilots must be fully concentrated to control the formation of the team and the direction of their flight. The other 2 airplanes are catching up with the previous 3. So that requires accurate calculation of the time and the rhythm. Yes, we calculate the time by seconds.
大家可以看到歼10飞机的
You could see J-10 airplanes have strong capacity of short distance taking off. They don't have to glide for very long distance to take off. Now the 2 airplanes are catching up, and then this is number 6 for acceleration taking off. What is the angle of this taking off? 70 degrees. That's really like just dashing into the air. Now it is accelerating and then directly vertical up to the air. For number 6 airplane's acceleration,
这个过来大概在5到6个 G， 因为这个是飞机刚刚离路，它的速度还是
What about the overloading? It's about 5 to 6 G. It's actually a transition from the kinetic energy to the static energy, the potential energy. So for this move, it takes about 9 G of overloading. So 9 times of gravity acceleration. Impressive. And now the pilot has to rely on his naked eye to catch up with the previous 5 airplanes. So that's really quite a test for the controlling capacity of the pilot. He has to catch up with the previous 5 airplanes at a fast speed. And then when he joins the whole formation, he has to have a very precise control. Now number 6 airplane is almost in place with the other team airplanes. It's also double seats. I remember you have piloted number 6 before. For this year's show, I piloted number 4. But is number 6 airplane the most difficult one? Number 6 has to be responsible for some individual moves with high overloading. And for such special moves of single airplane, number 6 is under high pressure. And now we are seeing that all 6 members have formed a team together. Now this big fleet of 6 airplanes will perform the air show together. Now, when those 6 airplanes formed up, it seems like a usual thing, but actually when you are up that high in the air, it is quite exciting and also dangerous. Now, the 6 airplanes are flying towards our direction. Now they're giving out some colorful smokes. That is actually a special greeting from our pilots. Also, happy birthday to Air Force China. Today marks the 69th anniversary of Air Force China, and the Bai Aerobatics team is leaving behind such colorful smokes and plumes to celebrate the birthday. When these 6 airplanes are taking a turn, they have to change their position and their shape from the big fleet to a triangular shape. Now they have completed the change of their shape. It's very orderly. As to the weather today of Zhuhai, it's also pretty good. From the opening ceremony of the air show till today, I think that today is the best weather condition. What is the visibility today? It's about 6 to 8 kilometers visibility. Now they are accelerating their speed again. And next, they're going to take another maneuver about diving down. And while they're diving down, they also give out to some smokes, pretty beautiful against the sky. In this process, the pilots must be highly concentrated to control the shape of the formation and listen to the parameters from the commanding center and complete a series of maneuvers. For such maneuvers, how much time does it take to train the pilots to complete such a move? They have to exercise such a move for a long time. If a pilot has never been practiced before, it takes him or her like half a year to be a qualified pilot. So being a pilot is really a challenging occupation indeed, particularly to be able to perform such an aerial display. How long have you been serving the team? 5 years. So you are in this team for 5 years. But when you're switching your role from being a fighter and then being a performer of those airplanes, do you think it's quite different? In our performing team, usually we position ourselves as both a performer and also a fighter. Now we are seeing the 6 airplanes diving and giving out a lot of plumes. And next, they're gonna have somersault. Somersault is like the most difficult move in the air. They must have a quick transition of power. I think today's lower
尤其是穿上
clouds
云层，
will have some impact over the airplanes.
再
They
次
have
俯冲下来。
to come through the clouds and
这个只
dive
用单机
down
版，但是
again.
6级密集编队来完成的。
It's not very
准备的在
difficult
大家可以看到
for
这已经
a
非常
single
的
airplane to perform these somersaults, but for a team of 6 airplanes, it's quite
因为在空
challenging.
中飞
But
行，
still,
毕竟
those
是一个
airplanes
3
are
人运
stable.
动的物体，影响它编队
After
的
all,
运
the
动多
airplanes
空
are
中也不
the
像
three-dimensional
我们
objects
很多
flying
颠
in
簸
the
的气流，
air,
所
and
以
there
要
are a
保
lot
持
of
这种精准性，
uncertainties
还
and
需要飞行员
instabilities
非常
in
高
the
超的技术。
air and fluctuations of the airflow, so that's why the pilots must have high skills to control it. They leave behind such a beautiful curve. What is the next move?
6机正在调整对向观众区。
They are adjusting their direction to face the audience.
今天的云层刚才能见度
对，
还
稍稍有一点低云，
所以对这个
Just now we are seeing some lower clouds,
对，会有一点
so
影
there
响。
will be more challenges to our pilots.
好，我们现在看到
6机打开拉烟，现在为大家做的是水平的分组开
And
花，
now they have horizontal
非常的漂亮。
flowering in different teams. It's very beautiful.
现在5、6号机就脱离了6机的编队动
Number
作，
5 and number
开始
6
为观众
airplanes
表演
have
单机
been
的特技
separated
动作。
from the other
4机
team
呢，在空中进行一
planes
个
to
结合，
perform
一会
more
儿会给
individual
观众呈现的
maneuvers.
是
For
4
the
机
other
的编队
4,
特技表演。
they will also show our spectators the moves performed by the team together.
接下来呢，5、6号机将要做的是
For number 5 and
双击对
number
头。
6 planes,
对，
they will face each other and cross
大
by
家可以
each
看到
other.
已经打开拉烟，
Also, the smokes are on.
好，他们将再次进行结合。
And
搭
together
空这
up
个动作非常考验飞行员
together.
对飞机的把控能力。
对，这要
That
双方
move
飞行员
is also
互相的信任、
challenging
配
for
合
the
非常的
pilots.
默
The
契，
two
因为他
pilots
只
must
能
have
靠
mutual
目
trust
视来判断飞机的位置。
because they
给
have
它
to
飞一个
rely on
相
their
对速
naked
大概
eyes
在
to
1400到1500。
measure the distance between the two
这
airplanes
是一个高速的
and
飞行
also
当中
their
的一个
relative
擦肩
speed
而
is
过。
like 140 kilometers and they
这
just
个考
cross
验的
by
也是
each
飞行
other
员的这个
at
打破
that
和技术。
fast
对
speed.
现
Also,
在大
that's
家
a
看到
test of
的
the
4机
pilots'
已经准备
courage
集合
and
成菱
skills.
形队。
For the other 4
对
airplanes, they're
观
going
众
to
表演
form
的
another
就是菱形队
formation
的编队横滚，这个动作也是我
and
们
they're
表演
going
队
to show
今年
us
新
the barrel
编排的
rolling in a team
大
together.
家可以
This
看
is
到
a new
4架
move
飞
this
机
year.
一个平面，像铁板一样
So
绕着
now the 4
机体
airplanes
的纵轴滚转360度。
are flying and rolling for 360 degrees in such a diamond shape.
而且菱形队的编队可能
They have high cohesion and coordination,
这个是
particularly
也
in
是靠
such
着
a
这个
diamond
掌机
shape.
在带着他们在飞。
It's
对
very
所有飞机都
orderly.
要跟随
Still,
机
high reliance on the head airplane, right? Yes, the other 3 have to follow the moves of the head airplane.
现在观众朋友看到5、6号机从对面飞过来剪刀机动。
剪刀机动，
Number 5 and number 6, okay.
剪刀机动这个动作以双击与极限坡度的回转，对飞行员心理冲
This
击
is
和视觉冲击
the
都是很大的。
scissors movement.
就是要求他们在瞬间要做出一个正确的反
They
应。
have to have quick response in a moment.
一般的观众体会不到。如果像我的话，
Our
在飞机
audience
座
may
舱的视
not
角还是非常
feel
惊险刺激。
it, but if you are a pilot sitting in the cabin, you would feel that you are very, very close to the
现
other
在为大家表
airplane.
演的是5号机的
You almost touch upon each other. Now this is the number 5 airplane's 2 rounds of barrel rolling, so in total 720 degrees.
优越，
So they have
会有连
excellent
续的是
skills.
搭过载吧？
对连续的过载。
So there will be continuous overloading while completing this maneuver, right? Yes.
这个对于普通人来说几乎是不可能做到的事情。
For common people, this is something beyond our capacity. But for the pilots, after years and years of training and practices, they can manage it. Yes.
担任飞行员多长时间？
So, Chusong, how long have you been a pilot?
10几年了啊！现在观众朋友看到的
Over a
是司机的
dozen
叠楼汉。
years. And now the 4 airplanes are piling up.
这个动作你看，飞机几乎都贴在每一架飞机的机腹下。
So almost each airplane is below the other one
在转弯
up
过程中，司机要进行一个
to
队形的
form
变换
such a pyramid. And also while they are taking a turn, they have to change their formation to be in a diamond shape again.
非常的协调啊，之间。
Very orderly.
在现场观众的热情非常的高涨。
And our spectators outside are very excited. Now barrel rolling again for this single airplane.
最大的状态，做一个
And then number 5 airplane
这个动作
is having a somersault.
9个自己压在自己身上，可以想象是什么样的
The
感觉。
overloading is like 9G. So 9 times the weight of this airplane. You could imagine how difficult it is. And then there will be an extreme hovering.
这个动作飞行员大概持续承受5到6个 G 的过程。
The pilot has to endure like 6G overloading at this acceleration, circling, and
就
hovering.
转晕了。
接着5号机拉起来做了2次的滚转。
And then 2 rounds of barrel
如果
rolling.
光看我们的表演，大家可以看到。
By watching this display, you would observe that J-10 jet fighters have very strong thrust and other functionalities of the
现
engines.
在是4机的极限坡度盘旋。
For example, pneumatic
接着在盘旋后半
functionalities.
圈
Now
呢
those
会
are 4  airplanes
做一
doing
个
the
斜
circling.
进斗
And then there will be a somersault.
可以看到现在队形非常的密集。
也贴得非常的近
They're。quite close to each other. Very short distance.
拿烟，
And the smokes are still on.
直接拉起，
Directly going up and then an oblique somersault. This is number 6 airplane.
这是5号机的一个，这是5号机的一个垂直横滚，
It's a vertical barrel rolling.
仰角
So
旋，
the airplane is rolling at almost a vertical direction.
那这样的一个横滚的动作是为了验证飞机的神性。
For
主
such
要
a
是
barrel
验证飞
rolling,
机的这种操控性
what is
啊，
the
滚转
key?
的性能，包括它
The
的方向
key
推
is to have
现
strong
在表演的是
controlling
6号机的
power,
4两个动作，
stronger
飞机在
thrust.
92米、180、270
now
分别停顿，然后滚转
The
360
number 6 airplane will have a
360
roll of about 360 degrees with 2 stops at 180 and 270 degrees respectively before such a rolling of 360 degrees.
下面为大家表演的是
Next,
4级同步横滚。
the simultaneous barrel rolling for 4 airplanes.
4架飞机
They're very consistent maneuvers.
纵轴滚转360度。
They roll for 360 degrees simultaneously. They're just like 4 swords leaving behind such a beautiful trails in the air.
大家现在看到的是6号机，
马上进入
This is
小
number
速度
6
平飞。
airplane again. For horizontal level flight at smaller speed.
缓缓
So the
的
speed is about 200 kilometers per hour, and the number 6 airplane is flying towards our spectators slowly, like a gentleman walking up in the clouds. Though it looks like a gentleman, it's still very risky. The airplane is approaching a very extreme condition of the airplane at a very small speed. So that is more demanding for the pilots because the height is very low. It's only 200 meters up in the air, so that's more demanding. And now
飞机的这个
it's
发动机的加减
accelerating
速
the
性非
speed.
常的强。
That's quite a
刚才
test
这
of
个
the
动作也展示
engines.
了这个监视飞机
functionality
在极限状态下的一个良好的稳定性。
对，在低速的情况下，
So that checks the stability of the airplane at lower speed.
但是
现在4机
面对
进入俯冲，
The other 4 are diving.
现在这个动
flying
作是
up
北岸队的一个经典。
This is a typical maneuver by our team, and also flowering in a vertical direction. Now they are separating.
云层还是有点的低，
对，云层有点低。
Still, the clouds
稍
are a
微会
little
有一
bit
些
low,
视觉的这种影响。
对，
so there will be some blockage in their vision.
6号机现在为大家表演的是蛇形扭转，
Number 6.
这个动作的后来大概在9个 G 左右。
Number 6 is performing an S maneuver, and the overloading is also 9G.
这个动作对飞行员3维空间的定
So
向、
9 airplanes
准确性
overloading.
要求都非常的高。
That has high requirements of the pilot's accuracy and controlling capacity.
热情也是相当的高。
像今天珠海的天气一
Still,
样，
our spectators are very excited right now.
今天是珠海航展的最后一天，也是
Today is the last day of the air show in Zhuhai. Also, today marks the 69th anniversary of China Air Force. It's a very special day.
飞行员呢今天以特殊的方式向
And
我
our
们的
pilots from China Air Force
送上了
are
你们自己的人生一
celebrating
个
the
祝福。
69th anniversary of Air Force China in such a special way.
刚刚的动作是6号机的上升多次横滚，
This is several rounds of barrel rolling for number 6 airplane.
紧接着，它将在一个非常短的时间之内要绕纵
Then
走
within a very
翻
short
转
time,
850度，这个难度很大嘛？
对。
the airplane has to complete
一个是飞行员乘坐的
850
过载，另外
degrees
一个是
of
飞行员在
rolling.
这么大的过载
Yes,
同
the
时要
difficulty
精
lies
准地判
in
断
high
在空间中
overloading
给飞机精
and
准的定位，
very
然后来进行对它
precise
进行操作
judgment of
要
the
求是非常高的。
pilots.
现在5机已经在集合到了
Now
一起。
the 5 airplanes are
接下
teaming
来为
up.
大家展现的也将是表演队比较经典的一个动作啊，5机的水平
And the
开花
next move is also very typical move of our team. Horizontal flowering of 5 airplanes.
在这开花的一瞬
Very
间，
beautiful.
飞行员基本上冲出的过载
At
达
that
到
exact
6到6.5
moment, the overloading is like 6 to 6.5 airplanes
而
together
且要非常的同步。
for each pilot.
现在是6号机的一个放起落架的超低空通场大家可以看高度非
And
常
now
低。
this is number 6 airplane flying
这个动
at
作主
a
要体
very
现
low
监视飞机在
height.
这种着陆装置全部放出的情况下飞机的操控性。大家看到
This is also a test of the pilot's controlling
大
power.
概也就是几米高。
几米高。
Now it's only several meters above the ground.
它是从拉起加入航线着陆。观众朋友没有在现场如果在现场可以感受到这种发动机的轰鸣声。
我们在现场在这个演播区里面都能感受到现场的这种轰鸣声。81飞行表演队也是世界上 少数几只用第3代战机进行飞行表演的飞机。
对。
好，我们
现
在
在看到的是双机的跃升解散。朝地空通长被拉起，直接加入小航线。非常的漂亮。巴西飞行表演队呢，无论是起飞和着陆，都是在进行飞行表演，都是在展示飞机的性能和飞行员的技术。我们这个落地做的航线也是非常的小。现在观众朋友看到3机以编队飞过来，准备展现给大家的是上升红纹解散。
其实这个小航线着陆是战斗能力的一个体现。
对，
飞机从准备着陆到着陆。
Actually, such a landing process is also a display of the capacity. Yes. It takes less than, yes, a little bit more than 1 minute for the landing process. For the pilots, for the equipment, if they can have a fast landing and fast taking off, that's going to be a good defense capacity for pilots. So actually from taking off and landing, they are performing the display. The parachute is behind the
这个是不
airplane.
是也意味着今天咱们巴西飞行表演队的表演已经全部
落
结束了？
下帷幕。
So that means this is almost the end of the Spy Aerobatics team display.
今天6天的时间
From November the 6th till today, 6 days of air show have given Bai Aerobatics team such a good opportunity to display us so many wonderful
尤
highlights.
其是在今天是中国空军建军69周年这样的一个特
Particularly
殊的
today
日子，
marks the 69th anniversary of China Air Force. Bai Aerobatics team is also celebrating this unique day with their own display and performance. It's quite an honor for Bai Aerobatics team to celebrate this birthday of Air Force in this way.
其实我们想在这里给你们说一声生日快乐。
谢谢。
And also, happy birthday to you all.
现在这个着陆之后，咱们这个整个工作区的这个状况还要继续的调整吗？
对，继续要。
After landing, will our working zone be
各位观众，今天
rearranged?
上午
Yes, they
中国
still
空
need
军巴一
to
表演
give
队的表
some
演
commanding
已
orders
经全部的
from
结束
here.
我们通过一个
So
精彩的回放
Our
来再一
viewers,
次的
this
重温
morning's
刚
Bai
才
Aerobatics
飞机
team's display is approaching the end. We will have a review later on.
央视新闻的各位网友，大家上午好。我们现在是在第12届中国国际航空航天博览会的现场，我是中央电视台的记者崔霞。今天跟我一起担任节目嘉宾的是专家王明志老师。我们现在看到的是巴以飞行表演队刚刚结束的任务。
Just now we have seen the performance of the aero display. They are now gliding back to their position. Just now, Bai Aerobatics team has given their celebrations to the 69th anniversary of Air Force with wonderful performance. So this special day, we know that there will be a lot of gifts we want to give the China Air Force. Exactly, there will be a lot of surprises we want to present our audience to celebrate this day. And just now, from our Bai Aerobatics team, that is our gift, in a special way of Air Force, to celebrate the 69th anniversary. And I believe the next show is going to be performed by the Red Falcon Air Demonstration Team. This is the number 1 airplane, already back in its position. In the aerial performance, the pilots have to endure continuous overloading, so that's very exhausting for pilots.
刚才的飞行表演大概是25分钟左右的时间，但是这些飞行员一练就是。
was about 25 minutes, but for that 25 minutes of display, the pilots have to exercise for several years. Exactly. And Wang Xuesong is also a pilot of Bai Aerobatics team. According to him, he has a dozen of years of exercises. But he joined Bai Aerobatics team 5 years ago. He has to exercise almost every day. Yes, if the pilots could become a member of Bai Aerobatics team, that shows their excellence. Now, those are the other airplanes. 4 airplanes in a formation to kickstart the Red Falcon Air Demonstration Team. So now we are watching the Red Falcon taking off with 4 airplanes. The second group of 4 airplanes are already in the air already.
红鹰飞行表演队是一个双4级起飞的这样的一个队列的排列啊。
对。
So they're in 2 groups, each including 4 airplanes.
这次飞行表演队是空军航空大学教官出身的，使用的飞机是教8的教练机，现在中国空军的典型的高级教练机。
他使用这样一个教官的飞机来作为飞行表演队的这个表演队员，这也是一个国际上通行的关系。
是的，这个航空大学作为这个培养空军飞行员的一所飞行教官的素质，决定了飞行员的这个培养素质。
The trainer's capacity will determine the pilot's capacity. So by adopting such trainer airplanes, we could showcase the level of those airplanes. This is a very rare angle for us viewers. They are in a diamond shape, and also below them is the ocean. And then they're gonna turn to a shape of a gun. And then horizontal. 2 airplanes are changing their positions in this formation.
拉烟
Smokes.
这是以空军特有的方式向建军69周年致敬。
同时也向来参加中航展的现场的观众以及我们电视机前的观众致敬。
对。
拉出的彩烟非常漂亮。 由于今天的风不大，可以看到它停留在空中的时间还是比较长的。今天的天气非常不错。
It's a
刚才
clear
八
day
一队飞
today.
的时候，云层还是有一点点低的，现在云层又散开了。我
When
看
Baiyi
这个
aerobatics
靠近
team
海
was
嘛，在珠海
performing,
这
the
个地方靠
clouds
近海，
were
所
a
以气
little
候
bit
变化应该
lower,
说是
but now
比
it's
较
much
迅速
higher.
的。
Yes, because Zhuhai is a
空中
coastal
刚
city,
才
so
八
the
一飞
weather
行员表演队
conditions
表演的时
will
候还有一些
change
水汽。
very rapidly. Just now during the Baiyi aerobatics team's performance, there was some vapor in the air, but not
八
anymore.
机要进行一个
The 8 airplanes in the Red Falcon team
对，调
are
整队
teaming up
形。
together and readjusting their shape.
有这个 T 字形的结构。
对，这是标枪队，
标枪队
巴基的标枪队。对，现在标枪队通场。
Now, again in the shape of a dart.
对，这也是他们一个比较经典的一个动作，这是标
It's
枪队
also
盘
a
旋。
very typical and classic maneuver. Circling in the shape of a dart.
八一飞行表演队表演的时候，那种发动机
Baiyi
的轰
aerobatics
鸣声
team
给人
was
一种
just
感
now
觉是一种强
performing
劲的
with
力量。
very
这个
noisy
飞行表演
engine
队的这种
sound.
表
It
演
feels
给人
very
一种柔
powerful,
美的
but
这
the
种
Red
感觉。
Falcon
是
team's
完全不同的两
demonstration
种视觉感
feels
觉哈。
very elegant.
刚才我
So
们在现场
two
感受到的是
different
这个
experience.
歼十战机的
Exactly. And
轰
on
鸣
the
声，
side
大的
we
轰鸣
have
声。但是现在我
heard
感觉到是
the
一个
buzzing
像一
sound
个
of
空
the
中漫步的女士哈。
J10
对对对
engines, but
现在是
not
一个
those
菱
Red
形的
Falcon airplanes. They're
编队。
just like elegant ladies
在上空盘旋。
walking in the
对，巴
air.
基
They're
菱
still
形
in a
队的
diamond
盘旋。
shape and circling in such a shape.
其实飞行表演不仅是一项绚丽多彩的飞行活动，更是一个巨大的窗口。它展
So
现的
it's
是一
not
个
just
开放的国度、
对
an
强大的军
activity
队，
for
一种
demonstration. It's
至尊
also
无
a
上
great
的力量。
opportunity to
其实还有一
showcase
种就是
the power
对
of
现
our
身飞
Air
行世界
Force.
的这种
And
向往。
also,
对，
it's a high-level greeting. It
应
also
该说，飞行
shows
表演
our
同时展现
aspiration
的是
to go
空军的这种
international
软
and
实力。
contribute to the world peace.
对，菱形队
Yes,
的
such a
盘
show
旋
is actually a demonstration of our soft power.
显示了一
Still,
个整齐的队
circling
形和编队的一个精密的协同，
is very consistent, and also it requires
体
high
现了飞行
cohesion
员
and
操纵飞机的
coordination.
这种
It
高超的这种技术。
manifests
这也是我们
the high
航空大
skills
学
of our
飞行
pilots
教
to
官们
control
他们的这
those
种
airplanes.
专业素养的
That's
一种表现。
exactly the
正因为有了优
professionalism
秀
of
的
the
飞行教官，才
trainers.
能够培养出高素质的飞
With
行员。
those
所以今天可以说是
excellent trainers, they
八一队
can
的那
generate
些
very
飞
high
行员应该是这些
quality.
飞行教官带出来的，
对对
可以是
So
师徒
actually,
同
the
场。
performers from Baiyi
这个
aerobatics
八一飞行员队
team
表演
might
体
be
现
the
的是
students
国家的
of
这种蓝天
the
仪仗
Red
和这种
Falcon
空军
team's
战斗
pilots.
机飞行员的这
Exactly.
种战斗精神
Baiyi
和过硬的
aerobatics
这种
team
素质。
shows
那
us
么
the
红
fighting
鹰飞行表演
spirit
队这种
and the
表演呢，体现是我
skills.
们教官的这
But
种
the
高
Red
素质的
Falcon
专业素养。
team is showing us the high quality professionalism of our trainers.
现在在调整位置。
They're changing their positions.
这个珠海的天气真是变化多端。现在我们可以看到，这个
Zhuhai's
天
weather
刚
is
才
changing.
一会儿又天了，
对，
Now
从
it's
从
not
这个
that
画面中间可以
visible
看到，空
as
中有点
minutes
水汽有
ago.
点大，
有点大，
底层有点水汽有点大，对
There are a lot of vapor in the air.
所以还是有一种灰蒙蒙的感觉啊。
对。
不过这样也好，有一种朦
So
胧
it's not very
呈现
clear.
在我们的眼
But
前
still, it's another kind
好，
of
改
beauty
平
in front of us.
精准、
Horizontal
协调一致。拦沿，
High cohesion, and then giving out the plumes.
开始做筋斗，这是一个巴基的
Now
菱形
somersault
队的向上
It's
做了一个
a
筋斗，
somersault
可以看到
with
拉的
8
这个烟非常的
airplanes
这
in a
个
diamond
漂亮。
shape, and they leave behind the beautiful and long plumes.
完成了这个筋斗。
Completed
这个动作
the
最大
somersault.
的难度应该是在于八架飞机要在大速度、
The
大载荷、
most
大动作量的条件下，保持
difficult
队形的准确性
one
对
和稳定性。
对
Such a somersault maneuver is to maintain
所以飞行员
stability
的这
with the
种
whole
操纵
team
体
at
现了我
such
们
a
飞行教官的
big
专
overloading.
业素养。
So overloading and overcapacity will challenge the trainer's
飞行员
professionalism.
之间也是要彼此信任的，因为把天空中离自己
The
最近的
pilots
距
have to
离
trust
交给一
each
个战
other.
友， 那我们之间肯定是
They
必
have
须是
to trust
信
their
任，然后
members
加协同。
in order to maintain
巴
such a
基
short
完成这样的
distance.
这个
That's
筋
why
斗
they
啊，
must
体
work
现的是一种
together.
团队的协同，而这一点呢，在作战过
8-air
程中也
planes
是非常重要
completing
的，已
such
经
a
不是
somersault
单一架
maneuver,
飞机
that
的这
is
种
a
单打独斗，
demonstration
而
of
是
their
靠一个群体
cohesion
来进
and
行协同。所
coordination.
以这样
That's
的这
exactly
个
what we need
巴
in
基
a
这种
fight.
钻石队完成
It's
这样
not
的一个
an
编队协同，
individual
表现出来我们飞
game.
行员的这种团队协
It's
作
a
力是非
team's
常好的。
performance. So such a maneuver would
其实我
showcase
每个人
our
都有
team
一个
spirit.
飞向蓝天的梦想，但不见得每
Everyone
个人
has
都
a
能当飞
dream
行员哈
of。flying
就来
up
不了
in
现
the blue
场的，我
sky,
们通过
but
这样
not
的一个
everyone could be a pilot.
看我
So
们
for
直
us
播来
viewers,
现
we
场
cannot make
感
it
受
here.
这样的一种
You could watch
蓝
our
天的
live
魅力，也是同样会有
streaming
这种
to
感同
feel
身
the
受。
charm
对
of，the
在
Air
建
Force
空军
and
建
the
军
blue sky.
69周年之际，这样的一个这
Today
种精彩的
is
飞行
the
表演，也是召
69th
唤更多的
anniversary
有
of
志
Air
青
Force
年能
China,
够
so
加入
such a
空军，现身
wonderful
国
air
防。
show is quite a call to our youngsters
刚才
to
双机分开，
contribute to air defense, and the two airplanes are
他们分
separated.
开应该飞向跑道的两端，应该是要完成下一
They
个双机对冲
will
了。
run
这个
to
动作非常的惊险。
the
对对对。
runways for another crossing by. That's a very exciting maneuver.
在前面8-1飞行表演队表演的时候，也有一个双
Thank
机
you
的
for watching
对
live
冲的这
streaming
样一个表
from
演动作。
CGTN. Please follow
对
us
对对。
on CGTN's
好，
app,
看到
Facebook,
正在调整
看
方向。
Weibo,
调整位置，各
YouTube,
自
and
进入
Twitter.
跑道的两
See you
端。
next time.
我们过一会儿就可以看，已经拉。